Hey guys, it's Mohammed Resolution this side. So hope everyone is fine from this COVID situation. Today it is a simple video of what I will do, now it's I guess 11:30 a.m. I woke up just 10 minutes ago. So I thought of making my day video and post it as to be consistent on YouTube. And I have some works like cleaning my cycle, as my cycle is not working and I have not used it since 1-2 months, and making it all right, making it clean, and I have 1-2 household works. So let's see, do watch the video and hope you like it. So this is my cycle in a very bad condition, I guess. So let's make it the best we can. Everyone is watching the video. So I just washed my bicycle and I will go now to the repair shop. There are a lot of works to be done, like repairing its brake and pumping up its wheel and more, etc, etc. Something work is left. So hope you will like the video. It's a normal vlog, and do watch my video. Keep watching it. There were a little bit of work to do with my bicycle. I have done it, and I hope so I can take my bicycle on 15 August, on the occasion of 15 August, Independence Day. So let's see what's gonna happen. So this was the video. If you like it, do subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.